Hi everyone, in this video I will show you YouTube family movie night top picks and watch list. So family movie nights are all about fun, bonding, and finding movies that everyone from kids to grandparents can enjoy. You can just basically go and then tap on the search icon and look for family-friendly movies. Here in the family-friendly movies section, you will see animated favorites like Toy Stories, The Incredibles, Shrek. You can also see here classic family films like The Sound of Music, E.T., adventure and fantasy like Harry Potter series, Jumanji, The Chronicles of Narnia, comedy for all ages, Home Alone, and Night at the Museum, Paddington, like HBO Max add-on. So how to build a family watch list on YouTube TV? All you need to do is you have to create or you have to use profiles. Like each family member can create their own profile, but for movie night, set up a shared family profile. After that, add to libraries. Simply click the plus add to library button to keep all family-friendly movies in one place. Browse by category, use the family or kids and family genre under the YouTube TV's search filters. Leverage add-ons Disney Plus, HBO Max, and Stars. Expand your family movie collection. Lastly, family movie night hacks. Set up parental controls. Make sure the kids don't stumble into inappropriate content. Enable closed captions, helpful for grandparents or young readers. Use voice search. Say, show me family movies into your remote to save time. And then make it an event. Add popcorn, blankets, and even vote movies through a family poll. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.